Hey everyone! Is your Snapchat storage completely full and you're worried about losing your precious memories? Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate official way to download and save all your Snapchat memories directly to your device before they get deleted forever. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the storage. As you can see, mine has already exceeded the limit and went over the storage capacity. To fix this, tap on your profile, go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and select My Data. Once you're in the My Data section, you'll see a lot of options. Since we only want to save our photos and videos, make sure to specifically check Memories for export. Turn off the rest if you want the process to be faster, then submit the request. Now, we just have to wait a little bit for Snapchat to bundle up our files. Once it's ready, you'll receive an official email from Snapchat. Open that email and click on the link provided. The link will take you to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Log into your account securely and boom, you'll see your data package is ready. Just click download to save the zip file to your phone. After the download finishes, open your phone's file manager. Find the downloaded zip file, tap on it, and hit extract. Now, all your memories are safely saved on your local storage as regular photos and videos. Here's a quick pro tip. If you have a massive amount of data, I highly recommend moving this folder to a PC or laptop. It's much easier to sort, organize, and back up your memories into specific folders there. If this video helped you save your memories, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.